Okay.
Classified material next to your Corvette. What were you thinking?
I can't believe what I'm seeing. I can't believe what's not being taken place. Literally, what is going on? Hey, what is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another show. I'm your host, John Muro. Man, did they turn off the heat outside? I've got my coat on. I just come out from outside, and it is getting colder outside. We're in Tennessee, and the weather is dropping. What kind of weather are we dealing with? It is true, if you live in Tennessee, you get all 4 seasons almost every single week. I want to thank you so much for tuning in today. To all of our new subscribers and those who have joined the family, thank you guys so much. I'm not going to hold you long tonight. I've got some crazy news, crazy video that you might want to watch if you haven't seen it already. But you know, I had to bring you this news just to keep you updated on things that are happening right here in our own backyard. So before I get too far in, let's play the video.
I'm going to get a chance to speak on all this, God willing, soon. But as I said earlier this week, people, and by the way, my Corvette's in a locked garage, okay? So it's not like you're sitting out in the street. But anyway, yes, as well as my Corvette. But as I said earlier this week, people know I take classified documents and classified materials seriously. I also said we're cooperating fully and completely with the Justice Department's review. As part of that process, my lawyers reviewed other places where documents from my time as vice president were stored, and they finished the review last night. They discovered a small number of documents of classified markings in storage areas and file cabinets in my home and my personal library. This was done in the case of the Biden Penn. This was done in the case of the Biden Penn Center. The Department of Justice was immediately, as was done, the Department of Justice was immediately notified, and the lawyers arranged for the Department of Justice to take possession of the document. So we're going to see all this unfold. I'm confident. Thank you.
I literally am not the only one who this guy was reading off a script. They didn't give him a chance to really talk for himself because they knew he might say something that he shouldn't say. And the whole fact of it was okay. It was next to my Corvette, which was also in a locked garage. Yeah, that still doesn't make it right. And again, I wanted to show you because do y'all remember when Donald Trump had these classified documents that they found? They raided his house, found the documents, and man, they put this guy out to burn. They were ready to fry this guy. They were ready to put him behind bars. And then all of a sudden, they find it at Joe Biden's place and multiple places. They don't even do nothing about it. I'm not going to say anything. Trust me, I shouldn't say it. I'm not going to say it. I'm just going to let you guys let us know down in the comments below because I'm telling you, this is frustrating. Is this fraud? Is this just insane that Joe Biden is doing this? I listened to so many of these videos. They said, how is it that the FBI works one way towards Republicans and works a completely different way against Democrats? There's no 2 rules. That shows that our country is truly divided because they only go against those that oppose them. And if you're a Republican, you're getting the hammer. But if you're a Democrat, then you know what? You get gloves, baby gloves. I'm just saying, that's what they said. I'm not even joking. That's what they said. I want to show you on the screen. This is what Joe Biden said himself. Biden suggested that the classified documents found in his garage were safe because it was locked by his Corvette. That makes it all better. Not in a $10,000 multi-bulletproof safe that he had. No, it's right there with his Corvette. And he's like, hey, wait a minute. Look at the picture. He's like, whoa, what's going on? It's because people are frustrated. He tried to downplay it, and he read off the script. I mean, he was so lost for words that he was just mumbling, and he couldn't even say anything. And they literally had to give him a script to read off. He couldn't focus, and that one guy was like, what were you thinking? And let's be honest. Let's be honest, okay? Put the weapons down. Put the shields down. Let's just be honest, okay? Donald Trump just did this. Joe Biden did this, and he got caught. That is a pure sign and reaction of someone who just got caught. Be honest with me. Come on, let's not talk about Democrat, Republicans. Let's just say this. From his response, his reaction, he looks like a person who just got busted. Like when you knew you weren't supposed to do something and you're all happy to do all yay, and then all of a sudden you get busted and you're just like you can't deny it. I mean, they found it in multiple places. But here's the thing. A side-by-side look at Trump, Biden classified documents. This guy right here on the screen, they roasted this guy. Man, they wanted to put him behind bars. They raided his house. I mean, it was nothing that they didn't do with this guy. And yet again, the whole fact of Joe Biden and him running into the same situation, I don't get it, man. So I wanted to do this. I wanted to keep you updated because that's my job. Number two, let me know down in the comments below your feedback because, again, this is truly what's dividing our country. You got a Republican against a Democrat, and who gets the stick, man? Who's getting beat? Who's getting put behind bars? I mean, I'm just saying. I'm leaving it up to you. I'm being good. I'm not going to say nothing, okay? I really wanted to come on and talk to you about something that I didn't really agree with, so I had to come to the best people I know and ask for your help. Inflation ease across U.S. may need less action from the federal government to control it. Now, I don't really feel like things are easing up that much because the last time I went to the grocery store, it still cost an arm and a leg. I'm just saying. But they're literally saying that the rising U.S. consumer prices moderated against last month, bolstering hopes that inflation's grip on the economy will continue to ease this year and possibly require less drastic action by the Federal Reserve to control it. Okay, they say what they want to say. But here's why I don't believe it. When's the last time you bought eggs? Maybe you know somebody who bought eggs. Eggs right now is as good as gold. I'm telling you. You remember when you could buy a 2x4 and it would cost you like $15, $20, and now, it's back to normal pricing. But egg prices have soared nearly 60%. What happened? Did they run out of chickens? I mean, I don't understand how sometimes certain items just can skyrocket in price. This is insane. The cost of eggs stood out on Thursday's report, rising almost 60% over a year. That marked the largest monthly increase since April 2020 and the largest annual jump since 1973. Wow. As of December, the cost of a grade A large eggs per dozen was $4.25. Now, again, many of you know that. Look at this chart. Bird flu outbreak since egg prices soaring, 12-month change in prices of eggs. Look at this. Golly. Man, I feel sorry for you if you like eggs, because that right there, that'll break a person, Man, eggs, I like eggs. I don't like eggs that much. That'll cost you an arm and a leg. But yet again, I wanted to jump on here real fast, show you the Joe Biden news. This is insane. You've probably already seen it, but I wanted to bring you on this channel to show you that, hey, we're on top of the news too. But I haven't had a chance yet to come in and post it, but as soon as I got a chance, I came up here, wanted to show you guys what's going on, and I hope that you enjoyed it. If you are wanting some certain type of news, like maybe recession news, stimulus checks, Social Security, let me know down in the comments below, and we'll do the research. If you would still like your state to be researched for stimulus checks, also let me know. We're doing a giveaway the 22nd. Let us know you're the #1 fan. We're also doing a movie giveaway where your name gets entered into that giveaway, the same as the others, that if you guess the right movie, you get a chance to win. So guess which movie this quote came from.
Because we live or we die by the clock. We never turn our back on it. And we never, ever allow ourselves the sin of losing track of time.
I'm telling you, you'll love the movie. Go watch it. If you guess it right, let me know down in the comments below. I love you. Be safe. Stay tuned. I got more videos on the way. And hey, let's turn the heat back on. Peace.